state your full name.
Already,
Okay.
Mr. Norton.
An alumnus of Southern University, do hereby pledge allegiance to the Southern University Alumni Federation and the great honored institution which it represents. I promise to remain loyal, faithful, and steadfast in my support of its programs, uplift of its principles, maintenance of its tradition, and defense of its honor. I further promise to always stand ready to contribute my time, efforts, financial assistance, and services toward the advancement of the welfare of the Southern University Alumni Federation and my beloved alma mater, so help me God. Welcome, Southernites.